Alright, welcome back everyone to another episode of Backlash Angling. We are up in Lake Coleridge today, which is kind of in central South Island of Christchurch. I'll throw it up on the map here in the top left corner. And yeah, we are, if you're going to be seeing this one, there's definitely going to be fishing content because it's not getting put together unless this kid puts some fish in his hands. So yeah, we are up here for 2 days. We're going to fish Lake Coleridge and Lake Lyndon just because they got opened early for the season. So we actually have the ability to fish them. But yeah, these sites are unreal. We're in the middle of some snow-capped mountains, and we're just on a little back road right now that's twisting and winding all over the place. So we decided to take a quick pit stop. But yeah, within the hour I will be casting for some salmon or some trout, and I'm pretty jacked up. So let's get to the fishing spot and let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
What's going on, everyone? We are at Lake Coleridge finally. Got the campsite all set up. And I'm just kind of working my way out as far as I can go. I got a little silver ticer on. Something that could get rainbows and salmon going. So I'm just walking out a little bit of distance, trying to find that drop off. And then, yeah, start bombing them out there, hit bottom, and then slowly bringing it back in. This is just the most unreal landscape I've ever fished in. It's beautiful.
Stealing glances at the pavement, the way comes too soon. Supposed to keep on rolling, but the race is nothing new. As the train starts to go, and it takes our bodies slow, and I know you wanted to for some time now. All this time you're gone, in your wake I stumble on, with the smoke, there's nothing there.
Okay, so I just finished up my my just quick little evening session on Lake Coleridge, and as always, big goose egg for me, another skunk. She's getting used to it. It's becoming pretty frequent. But tomorrow morning I'm heading out bright and early. She's gonna sleep in, and I'm gonna put my hours in. Apparently that's the best time to do it. So we're just gonna wrap up the night. What's for dinner tonight?
Burritos.
Yeah, Maddie made a nice little homemade burrito mix, so we're gonna just cook that up on our little stove top, and then it's clear as can be, so probably enjoy some stars in this nice snow-capped mountain view. It's unbelievable. It's gonna be a cold night, but we got plenty of supply, so we're good to go. But yeah, we're gonna have some dinner and then back to fishing in the morning.
Back to fishing.
Alright, good morning everyone, welcome back, day 2. We have moose spots, and you're probably wondering what happened to the old morning session. So last night in the tent, it was like below zero, like we had frost all over our blankets and stuff like that. So I had my alarm set for 6, and then when 6 rolled around, I decided that I'd rather keep Maddie alive and stick with her, because she probably would have froze to death if I left.
Thank God.
We just we decided to sleep in for an extra few hours. It's right around 10:30 now, and we moved to Lake Lyndon, which is just a lake a little bit closer to Christchurch and more like northways. And it's a smaller lake, but apparently there's like plentiful amount of rainbows in here and some brown. So I'm gonna I got my waders on, so I'm gonna start trekking out. Maddie's gonna read her book, and hopefully see you at our first hookup. But yeah, gotta get casting. I can cast fire with this thing though. So I'm rocking 8-pound braid attached to a 8-pound fluorocarbon leader. Usually I rock a little bit like heavier, but I don't really see why I need to be. And just to get those lighter baits out, you need to rock lighter lines, so that's what I've been rolling with. So I just switched to a black and gold Toby. I don't know, those are pretty popular in New Zealand, so Tyser wasn't doing it. Tyser broke off. And yeah, that's pretty much where we're at now. About to lose my mind. Here. Look at this. Oh, I got a little guy. Little guy. Hey, Sean. That was not very it was very anticlimactic. Little bow. Right on the top. Oh. Yes. First little rainbow. And he's doing the twist. Perfect. Unreal. Flip the bill. Unreal. Let's go. So I was literally just casting that out and it was on the fall and it felt like my lure. It felt like the lure tangled up. Just a tiny little bow. Let's go. I'm just gonna keep him in the water, keep him nice and healthy, get rid of this hook. He did the roll. Okay, so finally we've been here for about an hour and a half. I cast it out. I've been moving along this bank and I actually think it's gonna be a bit productive after this. But I thought my lure, like this is a little trout, but I thought my lure got caught, but I reeled it in. He gave a little bit of a bite and it's just like this little baby rainbow. Get my hands wet. Yeah, just like beautiful colors on him. Just gorgeous. Nice, like teal, pink, and silver. Yeah, so a little trout. Hopefully, I saw a head of one that somebody caught earlier, so hopefully I can quadruple size this bad boy. But yeah, I'm gonna get some close-ups and then get a nice release of it.
I see you soon. Or do we move on?
Okay, so we just wrapped up what was supposed to be the 2-night stay, but ended up being the 1-night stay. We underestimated how cold it was up in the mountains. It was like -2 last night, just frost everywhere, and we froze our butts off. Like I was struggling, but she was struggling.
Yeah.
It was pretty frosty. So yeah, we just stopped at Lake Lyndon on the way back today, just for a quick little hour-and-a-half session. Caught that one cute little rainbow. Unbelievable colors on it though, and that was the first rainbow I've caught in New Zealand, so I'm pretty jacked up. Got both the species checked off the list, but now it's time to upgrade. But yeah, thanks for watching, and there should be some upcoming fishing stuff soon. I'm thinking we're doing some trips. I think we might be heading to Nelson soon, and then we got our big school break, which is 10-day road trip, so definitely some fishing on there. But But yeah, thanks again for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Cheers.